Yes, sir, you just fly on in there. Huh? Tradesman entrance, round the back.
You having a laugh, son?
What? You're delivering bread, aren't you?
I don't deliver bread. I bake it.
Same thing, round the back.
Let me explain. I'm Barney Hughes.
Barney Hughes?
I know you haven't done a hard day's work in your life. You probably like your avocados smashed on your sourdough in the morning. See, back in my day, Belfast was a very different city. In those days, if you could stay alive over the weekend, you were doing well. In my day, baking was life or death.
Okay. I was only having a laugh.
A laugh? You know, there was nobody laughing when families couldn't afford to eat. Nobody laughing when poor people were out of work and dying young. That's why I started baking bread. I created the Belfast Bap so poor people could have good bread at a decent price. You know, I wasn't in it for the money. I was in it for the good of the people, no matter what side of the city they were from. So, I take it you let me in? I thought so.
Welcome to Club A&I.